What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why I look homeless, then please keep watching. But first, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my hair videos that come out every single week. Thanks, guys. Okay guys, to start up this deep conditioning, you'll need a bowl or a blender or processor. I'm using a processor. If you don't have a blender of any sort, then go ahead and just use a fork and bowl and smush it up till it's smooth. Okay, the ingredients you'll need is your favorite deep conditioner. So I've got this repairing mask. I got this for like $2 at Sally's. It's really nice. Coconut oil, a whole avocado, olive oil, avocado oil, and usually that's it, but this leaf fell off my aloe vera plant, so I'm going to throw some aloe vera in there. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so first, deep conditioner. Smells really good. I haven't deep conditioned my hair in forever. So it's a little brown on top, so I'm just taking that top layer off. Yuck. And then I'll use the green in there. And that was the whole avocado that we put in there. For the coconut oil, it's just one of those big spoons. I just put a little bit on there. I don't really measure. To measure, just eyeball it. If I had to measure, I'd say a tablespoon of coconut oil, a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of avocado oil, and then a whole avocado. And it helps to buy these little packets of deep conditioner so you can just put the whole thing in there without measuring anything. Now for the avocado oil. No, this is the olive oil. I forgot the main ingredient, and I've been putting this DIY on hold because I haven't had any eggs, and I need the egg because it helps with protein. I love it. Like, my hair is beautiful, so I'm adding the egg. Add the egg in there. Cut this bad boy open. Like I said, the aloe vera is optional. This just fell off my plant, and I'm gonna use it. So that's that. Now we're gonna just blend her up. Looks good to me. It's really thick, which is how I like it. Thick. Creamy. Delicioso. This is how much mine made. I'm gonna use all of it. Excellent. Okay guys, so the reason why I look homeless is because yesterday I washed my hair and I was gonna make this video, and I got out and just put it in these twists after washing it. Did not put any product in it. So now it looks like this. Very homeless looking. But we're gonna fix that today because we are gonna do my deep conditioner. Yeah. Okay, so I do it in 4 sections. I'm gonna put this side up because I'm doing this side right now. Just like so. And I'm going to cut this section in 4s. Put a towel down so you don't ruin your whole floor. Okay, now so we're done with that part, so you're gonna need to grab a plastic bag. I put holes in mine, and then I spray it with water inside just to keep it moist on my hair. Now we're gonna use this handy dandy thing. Cover up our hair. Put it on high, low, or high, whatever. And we're just going to heat our hair up. Okay, and now we're just going to let this sit on our head. I'm actually going to wrap a towel to keep that heat in there. And that's about it. I will be back when my hair's done. Okay, so this is my hair after the deep conditioner. Usually these things are just like, look, they're curling up so nicely. Very, very defined. They're automatically clumping together like they should. Alright guys, it's been many days since I did that video. I forgot to do an outro. I'm sorry. But yes, thank you for watching my video. Just a second ago in that clip, I did not have any product in my hair, and it was clumping together nicely, and it was like, I kind of like patted it dry a smidgen because it was like dripping all over me. But yes, recording on my phone right now. Sorry. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then hit that like button. Please comment down below what your favorite DIY deep conditioner is so I can try it out at home. I love new DIY deep conditioners. They're my fave. And lastly, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my hair videos that come out every single week. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
I know I've got that sway that makes the boys all